Titi.
Boy, I got a rumor. They said I got drip. I'm like a fish, a barracuda. Flexing with that wrist, got that grease. We young taller. I got custom.
Hey yo, what up, it's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and old Tavs makufika itubani itheki show. Okay, wafest namhlanje ngisemhawuzeni. Sizoyishala ama-quiz in easy. So ama students akhona. Stay blessed and shining. Always. Hey yo, what up, it's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and old Tavs makufika itubani itheki show. Okay, wafest njengoba ngishilo namhlanje ngiphithize Howard. I have
Miss Toto.
Miss TikTok wafethu. Okay, wafethu namhlanje sishayela Q&A wafethu. So, we'll start by asking ukuthi TikTok wafethu, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
Pietermaritzburg.
Okay. Alright. Say, why do girls cheat?
Kuningi.
Like njengani?
Abanye they cheat for imali. Some because the boyfriend abingasabaniki attention. Yeah, so bachithela ukuthi bahoye. Mhlambe sekungekho love and affection.
Yes.
When they lack love and affection, they go and look for it somewhere else.
Away, Ntwana. Alright. What is the highest amount have you ever spent on a date? Highest amount.
1.3.
1.3. Samchoka lo mchitsa lo. Izazana lo mchitsa. Vegetarian. Okay, last question I would say what is the best advice you'd give about umjolo?
Ningancami.
Singancami
umjolo.
Like singa give up kona.
Ninga give up. If uyabona ukuthi ukubhayizele lo munye, zama omunye.
Always. Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu ntwana yami. Please share out your Instagram no TikTok lapho kusalala khona.
Oh, TikTok. Lutho Ntondini and Instagram Totokazi.
Always stay blessed. Hey yo, what up, it's your boy L Stones. We're back with another Shandis and old Tavs makufika itubani itheki. I'm here with Kizo. Okay, Kizo first. What is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
Pietermaritzburg.
Okay, alright. So tell ubuzo ukuthi ngokucabanga kwakho Bram, why do girls cheat?
Ngokucabanga kwami.
Yeah.
Because mhlawumbe uma ungayiniki imali ungayikhiphi amantombazane attention kasi esiningi. So if ungayiniki attention intombazane ungaspendi. Yeah. Cabanga kanjalo.
Always. Okay, but what is the highest amount that you have ever spent on a date?
900.
9 clip?
Yeah.
Samchoka lo muntu?
No.
Okay, best advice that you will give about umjolo?
Give it up fun.
Suyeke.
Yeah.
Why bafwazi umjolo?
Yeah, umjolo uhlukile ngithi khona uhealthy, khona unhealthy mina ngokwami ngibona ngasa lo wami unhealthy ngakho ngithi okwamanje for this period mhlawumbe usuyedla nje. Yeah.
Always.
Sure.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu Brahma. Please share out your Instagram la abantu bangakufollow khona.
Oh, Kids all platforms.
Kids. Sure. Always stay blessed njame. Thank you boy. Showcase. Oh yo, what up, it's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and old Tavs makufika itubani itheki show. I'm here with
Enhle.
Okay, Enhle namhlanje first ngiyabonga ukuthi participate. So I'm going to ask you ukuthi why do girls cheat ngokucabanga kwakho?
Well, I think it would be the same reason why guys cheat.
Isiphi leso sizathu?
Just honestly.
Just nje.
Also, some females are very like spiteful, so maybe to get their lick back.
Ne.
Yeah.
Oh, kusho kahle first wena ngowakho advice onganginikeza yona ngomjolo nje ungathini?
Honestly, I can't say much because I don't really have much experience in that department.
Ne.
But maybe just take your time, pace yourself, honestly.
Always.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the highest amount that you have ever spent on a date?
I've never spent on a date.
Awukwazi ukhipha umthiso?
Never.
Oh, yeah, ne. Okay, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
Pietermaritzburg.
Always. Please shout out to Instagram.
Enhle_12.
Always. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Enhle ne.
mean.
Always.
Thank you.
Sure. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ls Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and we'll travel makufika itubani ithe. I'm here with
Lwazi dog.
Lwazi. Always Lwazi man. Okay, I would like to ask Lwazi ukuthi why do girls cheat ngicabanga ngakho Bram?
Mina ngicabanga kwami dog is because people are never truly satisfied.
Ne.
Yeah. Because manje noma angamthola umjito tophi, umjito tophi uzoshoda ngezinto afune the lower one unganamali kodwa amnika uthando. So yeah, it varies.
Always. Okay, Njam, what is the highest amount that you've ever spent on a date?
I don't think
It tried, Njam, kanjani? Why it tried?
I don't go to like fancy restaurants nakho konke lapho mfethu ngizomletha ekhaya mfethu ukushaya like ubhalisi nje mfethu local kamnandi
Sengamagwinya ama-Friday
ama-lazy phume neslap imigoke yabo
Away. Thank you, Njam. Okay, what is the best advice you'd give about umjolo Njam?
To love wholeheartedly dog.
Yeah.
Let me break up his walls so you're gonna be fine as long as the experience was worth it.
Singa give up, ne? Always, Njam, always. Ngiyabonga nikalam. So, shout out to your Instagram.
Lwazi 90210.
Lwazi 90210.
Yeah.
Always, Njam. Stay blessed, dog. Showcase, Njam. Showcase. Alright. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ls Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and we'll travel makufika itubani ithe. I'm here with Okay, I'm here with Andy Somashaba first. Okay, so Andy, so what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
Capital city of KwaZulu-Natal, SP to Marisburg.
Always. Okay, why do girls cheat?
Why do girls cheat? Angazi. I never cheated before.
Never cheated?
No.
Bakazi cheated?
Bas been cheated? No.
Oh, what?
It's vele, but yeah.
Ukuthi?
Traveled.
Okay, alright, sorry about that. So what is the highest amount that you have ever spent on a date?
I've never spent money on a date.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not in Okay, best advice that you'll give about umjolo?
Ngisamo shakle game, so I don't have much.
Samusha like game?
Yeah.
Uphethe kahle?
Kakhulu.
First, stay blessed and shining, eh? Please shout out your Instagram.
Andiso_Mashabane.
Always, _Mashabane.
Yes.
Ube nesolo lihle ngiyabonga. Sure.
Let's go. Look. What's happening to me? What's happening to G? What's happening to here? What's happening to G? What's happening to me? What's happening to What's happening to me? What's happening to G? What's happening to here?
Yo, what up? It's your boy Ls Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll travel makufika itubani ithe show. I'm here with
Awasholoto, you're here with Yasholoto.
Basha. Okay, my bro, what is the highest amount that you've ever spent on a date?
First nje 9 clip akuyona into enkulu le. Abanye ba spend 1.5 abanye aba spend kwakona 900 nje 3 grand vele.
Showcase, yeah. Okay, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
PMP.
Bengithi uzothi Durban. Correct, my chick, correct. Okay, why do girls cheat ngokwakho Njam?
Ziyababa nala ingane hawati dog.
Too much. Why do girls cheat?
Nasi kodwa phela amajita siyababa, so yeah, yona reasons why cheat amatheke nanokuthi ke phela abanye amajita ke yabo awakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke. So kube khona lo out owenza ukuthi izinto zenzeke.
Yabo nje ukuthi abawukhiphi lo 9 clip okhipha.
Awukhiphi lo 9 clip abawukhiphayo yabo. And futhi ngizo edit right futhi kube
1000. Away, thank you Njam. Okay, what advice would you give about umjolo Njam?
Have money my bro.
Always.
Shaya iba nemali mfethu. Play your game fast. Yabo ungaloku uthathela mfethu, ungaloku drive bus mfethu. Iba nenyuku nje.
So usho ukuthi mangabe unemali emjoleni cishe ubalanceseke.
Ube clean phela yazi nawe. Imali ube clean. Bese ushaya ngathi hlani phela ube clever.
Always. Okay.
1000.
Showcase, shout out to Instagram first la bangithola khona abantu.
So umufizi on Instagram, on TikTok yasho leyo nto ngiyatrenda kule insuku. Ipani nje liyakhala ipani nase Howard liyakhala ipani.
Sazokhala kakhulu ipani.
Liyakhala ipani eTUT liyakhala ipani eVids. Yasho leyo nto.
Dog boy. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ls Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll travel makufika itubani ithe show. Okay, I'm here with
Shame Shabalala. Aphila Malingo.
Okay, bafethu namhlanje mphethe aphile noShameni bafethu. Okay, Kellings ngicela ukubuza bafethu ukuthi ngokucabanga kweni, why do girls cheat?
I don't know because I don't cheat.
Awucheat wena?
Loyal hand.
Kahle ngempela?
Yeah, I don't cheat.
Wena?
I guess we cheat because we can.
Whoa. Okay. Yeah, man. Alright, what is the highest amount you've ever spent on a date?
Hey, you guys expose a man.
No, nje umchisa phela uyakhishwa bafethu nini bakhipha amachisa?
0. Nada. 0.
Lutho.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, what advice would you give about umjolo ke?
Mina ngithi don't date. Cela ngijolo.
Okay, okay, okay. I spend imali, I enjoy it. Oh, kuningi nje.
Oh no. I haven't found the one.
Uyajola wena. Oh, yeah, no khipha ubaba.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thinking okay, guys, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangangithola khona.
Hello guys, you can catch me on Instagram, Shame Shabalala.
Apila_Malingo.
Always ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu, stay blessed, nibone usuku oluhle ne. Showcase.
Let's go. Let's go. Yo. What's happening to me? What's happening to G? What's happening here?
Yo, what up, it's your boy Ep1. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll cover some figure to buy it show. Okay, guys, I just want to say thank you for cover the video. Bekusiqale lesi bafethu ngifuna ukuthembisa ukuthi lokhulu liyeza. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share bafethu. Always.
Hey, sure. What's happening to G? What's happening to me? What's happening to What's happening to me? What's happening to G? What's happening to What's happening to G? What's happening to me? What's happening to Talking about drilling, soaking the penny, let's make it a vision. I'm right with killers, we ride in the beamer, we para rush. I got shoes, if it's up, I got space. Hit it.